Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to log out of all the accounts that you have on your YouTube. You'll be able to log out of your accounts from all of your devices. To do that, you go into the app, and you tap on the channel picture. Then you click on Manage Your Google Account. It opens up a page like this. Here you go to the side and select Security. There is an item, Your Devices. You click on Manage Your Devices, and here you can see all the devices from which someone has logged into your account. Then you select the device you want, and click Log Out of the Account. After that, you will be logged out on that device. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.